इतना सा फर्क है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। इतना सा मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने सा फर्क है कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत। एक बार सोच के छोड़ किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में। मान लेने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। ऐसे ही कटेगी VIP सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। किसी मैगजीन वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है उसी मैगजीन की कवर वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो VIP सीट और उसकी दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानपुर से दूर अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा, ये हमारी आपकी हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया 20 years of ideas। तो बस
A very good afternoon to each and everyone who have joined us today for our 314th edition of Business Opportunity Over Chai. Every day we aim to bring the best business opportunity for our investors, and the brand which we are representing today is Khushiyon Ki Saugat, which is a brand by Subh Lakshmi Group, which they have 50 plus years of experience in manufacturing quality packed food. Now, with this, I would like to invite the Franchise India management team, Mr. Gaurav Maria and Ms. Sonia Chaudhary, to formally start the session, and they will give us a short brief about business advantage. Over to you, Sonia ma'am.
Thank you so much, Shruti, and a very good afternoon to all our friends who've joined the Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar today. And friends, I'll take a minute before I can formally invite Ankit ji for giving and presenting you the opportunity. And this is about the Investor Advantage program. And as you all understand through the platform of Franchise India and through all the webinars and events that we do, one is exposed to many opportunities which are presented by various companies and brands. And while every opportunity or brand, I would say, is good in its own right, but not every opportunity might be a right fitment for every investor. And that is the reason we advise that when you select an opportunity, you should evaluate based on your self-assessment, which should take into consideration traits like your business skills, your experience, your knowledge, and most important, the ability to meet the challenges. Second, you should look at the industry, how it is growing. Is that future fit? Third, you should look at market assessment. Is the market right for launching the brand, or there's sufficient demand in the market for that particular business? And fourth, look at the competition that exists and similar brands and do analysis on the opportunities that can be compared. And lastly, which is very important, is the brand assessment, people behind, I would say, legacy of the company, the successful prototypes, and transparency in terms of providing the information. So these are 5 assessment tools that Franchise on India also works with every investor in helping them evaluate. And this is what becomes a part of also our Investor Advantage program. And as a part of the series, we've also started our no obligation sessions that we book with every investor who's keen to explore an opportunity for himself, where you can book these sessions through our webinars, or you can even reach on the hotline number of Franchise India Brands, where you can reach out and request for a 30 minutes session where we can block this time for you and we can brainstorm with you on the opportunities that you're exploring. And these sessions that you will block would be handled by me and also Mr. Gaurav Maria, who's chairman of the Franchise India Group, along with our independent franchise consultants, which are across 85 cities in India. Now, without taking much time, friends, I'd like to now invite the team of Shubha Lakshmi Group, and we have Deepa Pathak ji here. And friends, the company is a 3,000 crore group. It's a group which comes with more than 50 years of experience, and they also are proud partners, and they have clienteles, like Walmart, where they have supplies which goes to these companies. And I will now request the team at Shubha Lakshmi Group to come and present their business opportunity to our investors. Welcome, Deepa ji. भी आप check कर सकते हैं? I don't know if Deepa is able to hear us.
Yeah, Mr. Ankit. Yeah,
Hello.
you have unmuted yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, hi, this is Ankit Agrawal here. Basically, I'm heading this company. Can we just start with the presentation, or like you need me to brief?
Sure, Ankit.
Yeah. The next slide, please. Next, please. Yeah. So basically, we are established since 1962. And it's actually a 300 CR company, and we'll be surely touching 3,000 CR. That is not a that is always a hope.
Sorry, that wasn't from my end.
Yeah. So the thing is, basically, what we are looking for is we are into the procurement and the processing of. We started this company with pulses, in short. Like in 1962, our grandfathers and everyone started this company. And we were the manufacturers of basically all kinds of pulses like tuar dal, chana dal, moong mogar, and a lot of other products. And it's like we have expanded this business since past 60 years now. Can you just move to the next slide? Yeah, and the company that we are talking about here is Subhlakshmi Food, in which we are a co-packer to majorly all the retail giants, as you say. If you may be knowing, if you're shopping online, you may be knowing Vedika brand. Vedika brand is a very popular brand of Amazon. And Amazon, we are supplying them majorly all the food articles, which is packed under Vedika brand. Pan India. Apart from Delhi, we are the supplier who are supplying them to even Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, majorly all the FCs that are that have Vedika support. Next slide, please. So the group of companies that we are working under is we have a set of dal mills in Nagpur. We have set of processing units. Nagpur, as I was telling you, Nagpur being centrally located, it's a wonderful place to have a centralized unit in which all the transportation is feasible. For that, I mean, we are supplying to Jammu, a store of Walmart, and even we are supplying to Vizag. So that means that we are able to cover the entire pan India, and they will because the transportation, as I told you, in Jammu we are giving around 2.2 rupees transportation. In the Vizag also we are going around 2.4. So we are covering the entire country just with the same transportation cost. And in this, what we are talking about, the business opportunity that we are talking about, transportation is a major factor because that is the major cost that is involved. And regarding our companies, we are into manufacturing of pouches. We are into manufacturing of grits, which is used in kurkure. This is just a part of the group companies. Next slide, please. Next, please. Yeah, so basically I'll just help you with the unit that we are talking about. Our unit is FSSC 22000 certified company. That certification basically is done by Intertech, that is also a renowned company, and Eurofins. And this is an international certification which makes us eligible to even supply to Amazon globally and Walmart globally. That is this. What I'm trying to tell you is that is the strength of this certification. That is the hygiene. That is the basically the infrastructure that we are having. Next slide, please. So this you can see. This back, yeah. This you can see is the our products kept at Walmart stores. Walmart is our major, basically a client in which we are supplying majorly to Pan India around 28 stores of Walmart. And in this facility, in the infrastructure of around 80,000 square feet, we are having an infrastructure of 40,000 square feet of shed in which we are manufacturing all these processes in a non-human touch plant, in which there's just all German operated and Japanese operated machines. And we are doing right from around, you can say 50 grams to 50 kg packaging in our brand as well. Basically, the product range that we are having is around 280 plus products, in which the entire grocery range is covered. Next slide, please. So this is the, just a second. Sorry. So previous slide, please. Yeah, this is the packaging area. This is the packaging area which we are talking about. This is just a packaging area. That's just an example of a packaging area that we are having, just to give you an idea like what kind of hygiene and everything is being maintained there. Next slide, please. Yeah, so basically what we do with these modern retail giants like Walmart, Amazon, Flipkart, Grofers, DMart is that we are having our brand as well. We have two brands, Sublakshmi and Khushiyon Ki Saugaat. So these two brands are basically related to like selling in all these modern retail giants, as well as some of the government supplies. Like if you know police canteens, the CPC that we call, there is around 1700 canteens and we are eligible to supply there as well. And the major thing we do is, like, as I told you, Amazon, we give Vedika brand, Vedika, we supply them. We are a co-packer for them. Walmart, Right Buy, we are a co-packer for them. Walmart, Amazon, Solimo also at times we give them. So, and at times DMart also, their private labeling is done by us. It's a plain pouch, which we do at times. Yeah, next please. Yeah, so this is the Vedika brand that I was talking about, and private labeling is something like we are co-packing on the behalf of these modern retail giants. And my reason for mentioning you with these giants is basically the strictness of norms and quality that they follow. There is a particular person, their team, every retail giant has a person at my factory located, a QC person, where entire material is being checked. Entire material is being checked with all the QC norms. We have a complete in-house lab, which with all the chemical and physical testing is done by our 4 QC team members, all our food technologists. Yeah, next slide, please. So this is our brand name that we are talking about, Khushiyon Ki Saugaat and Sublakshmi. Majorly what we are looking for is Khushiyon Ki Saugaat. We are planning to open an exclusive store in which the entire range that I talked about, around 280 plus products, like the range includes of, next slide, please. The range includes of all the products, like you can think of in terms of grocery, dry grocery I'm talking about, in which all types of pulses, dry fruits, spices, whole and grounded, and ingredients category, which includes poha, peanut, you can say chana, bhuna, and all those little things that is required on a daily basis with the stores, sugar. And this is the certification that I was talking about. Next slide, please. So these are the certificates that we have achieved. We have also been awarded as the best vendor pan India by Walmart by 2018. Next slide, please. Yeah, so the clients that I was talking about is Amazon, as I told you. Apart from Delhi and Punjab, we are supplying them pan-India Vedika brand. And as you can see, Walmart, as I told you, 28 stores we are doing. Flipkart, pan-India, we are doing. DMart, and there's a big player, Udaan, which has recently cropped up. We are also doing that in a good way. Big Basket, we are doing their private label, Popular and Premium that they have. And a lot of other clients are there. So the financial model that we are talking about here is we are just opting for a small store. Like it is around 385, around 350 to 400 square feet of an area. It depends on the location. And basically what we are doing, we are offering a total 18 lakh rupees, approximately 18 to 19 lakh rupees of infrastructural and other cost, basically the capex, in which 2 lakh rupees of franchisee fees is also included. Please, and there is, like, as you can say, infrastructure cost is around 6 lakh rupees. Inventory and other promotions we are calculating at 7 lakhs. I'll also brief you in details regarding the same equipments, like computer, like scanning machine, everything we have taken into account of 3.4 lakhs. Next slide, please. Yeah, this is the details of the equipments, a little bit of detailing, like the ceiling and everything we have counted. We have taken into consideration around 350 square feet of an area. This is the small brief regarding the same, the inventory, the in-stock. We have taken an in-stock of around 6 lakh rupees for the first purchase. This is the working capital requirement and everything that we have taken into account of around 1.5 lakh, considering 6 lakh inventory at the start. So basically, what we have considered in this sales is we have taken an average sales of 6 lakh rupees monthly. That is very, very conservative. We have only taken into account around 400 families to 450 families averagely spending. And that is very conservative. I'm talking again and again, reason being, like 6 lakh rupees inventory we are calculating and 6 lakh rupees monthly sale. So that never happens in a grocery store. There is a rotation of around minimum 8 to 10 times in a grocery store of the inventory. So you can also imagine, like and still we are achieving a payback period of around in around 2.2 years. So that shows itself, like there's a very conservatively thought of the payback, but still we are achieving it in a very good period of time. It never happens that the inventory is we have to procure the entire inventory for the entire month at the starting of the month. That never happens in a grocery store. It's always a business of rotation. Next slide, please. So the margins, average margins that we have considered here is like basically 20% in pulses, rice it's 25%, spices it's 32%, papad and other products is there. So what we are, the margins, the reason for this margin which you can achieve, there's a particular reason for that. I'll just try to explain you is that, see, we are the manufacturer of all these major products, and the volumes that we are having, we are doing a volume of around 200 ton monthly for the packaged products that we talked about. So sorry, 2000 ton monthly. So the thing is, the procurement is very strong. The margins, majorly the margins we can pass on. That is the same reason. Plus the procurement, we are always purchasing every single product in a truckload. So it's always an advantage of purchasing in a truckload, and we are always having an upper hand because of the goodwill. And apart from this, please the back slide. The reason I was going to tell you is companies like Amazon, Walmart, what they are doing is they are procuring from us, and they are selling to the reseller, like retailers, and they are selling to the customers. So we are again doing it in a very direct way with the customer. You will be directly selling to the customer, and the cost is also very low because we are operating on a single basis, single person basis, where the cost of operations will be very low, where the person will be having to watch the store individually. So that is a very big advantage. There is no middleman like Walmart. See, Walmart is also having huge expenses. Walmart is taking from us, they are giving it to reseller, and reseller is selling to the consumer. So you can also get and their margins are also very high because the operation cost and everything, because Walmart and Amazon, they have their own standards. So they have to maintain that, and they have that margins, and the person that they are hiring, they are hiring a person of minimum 1 lakh rupees monthly salary. We don't have to pay for those amount. So that is the margins that we can save on, and the customer definitely will get a very much edge for the stores. Next slide, please. So yeah, these are the list of items. Basically, this is just one of the list. And you can just consider all types of whole spices, all types of spices, dry fruits, pulses, rice, regional rice, basmati. We are a very good supplier of basmati to Amazon. They are having a Vedika Divya brand. They are having a Vedika popular Rosanna. We are all a supplier to them. Next slide, please. Yeah. So basically, that is the gist of it. The major reason it will be a very big success is there's no middleman. You're directly purchasing from the manufacturer, and you're directly selling to the consumer. So and because of that, there will be a very good margin. And basically, because of this pandemic, everyone needs a hygienic product. Everyone needs a good packed product. Everyone needs a regular supply. This is the best time to basically invest in this kind of a industry. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ankit ji, for the presentation. I would say very, very comprehensive the way that you've explained. And friends, I will also request whatever questions you have on the business model, aap Q&A box use kar sakte hain. You can put all your questions in the Q&A box, and we'll take these questions with your name. And agar apna city bhi aap mention kar sakte hain, we'll take your city also, and request Ankit ji on the availability of the franchise in that city. So to start off, I'll also set a perspective and give you maybe a summary of the model that we've talked about. And friends, I hope everybody understands, acknowledges, when we talk about grocery as a category, grocery alone accounts for about half of country's retail consumption. And India's total grocery market size is close to 20 lakh crore, which is currently accounting at about 48% of the entire retail consumption. And if you look at the organized player size, which is about 3.5 lakh crore, but this size of organized players is increasing rapidly now, and including I would say a shift which is also happening in terms of online grocery, which comparatively, I would say at this point in time forms a very small percentage of overall grocery market. But this also is seeing a shift and will see a good, I would say, transformation. Now, on the business of grocery, like Ankit mentioned, this is a business, I would say, comparatively, when you look at grocery, this is a low margin business, but a high volume business. Isme margins kam hote hain, but it's a big volume business. And because the company, which is Shubha Lakshmi Group, they have big economies of scale, inka state of the art manufacturing capacities hain. They have been in the business for 50 years, supplying to all the marquee names, institutions. I think there were 9 odd companies, big brands, international, national, jo Ankit ji ne bataya, they all supplying to them, and hence they have a better, I would say, economies of scale, and they're able to offer a great margin. And when I say margin, ye margin to a franchisee also, because jaise unhone bataya, isme beech ka mediator koi nahi hai. So the product which is supplied is directly from manufacturing to a franchise store. And also जो margins होते हैं आपको better मिलते हैं, and at the same time जो margins आपको मिलते हैं उससे जो आपकी offering end consumer के लिए होती है वो भी काफी attractive हो जाती है. Unlike maybe if you buy the same product on the brands you saw which we in the presentation, uska pricing and what you will get directly from the company is there's a difference. And overall margins ki agar hum baat karte hain, we saw there is a average margin of about 20 to 30 odd percent against all the SKUs and product categories that we have seen. And if we look at blended margins, या मैं average weighted margins की बात करती हूँ, which is about 26% in a category like grocery, which I would say is very, very good. And जैसे अंकित जी ने बताया, ये business is very high volume business. So ऐसी locations पे जहाँ पे आपका captive audience, families, neighborhood बहुत अच्छा हुआ, these are the locations one should look at. So Ankit ji, I'll go back on the business model, and we've talked about an area of 350 square feet, and तकरीबन जो हमारा पूरा investment आता है, that is about 18 and a half odd lakhs, 1840 to be very precise. जिसमें हमारा जो overall inventory है, which is about 7 lakhs. And एक चीज और मैं सारे investors को बताना चाहूँगी, इन्होंने investment में working capital भी include किया है. And working capital is the inventory जो आपका investment इन्होंने initial दिखाया है, वो आपका ideally working capital में include होना चाहिए, but they've included that as an initial investment. अगर हम उस inventory या working capital को हटाते हैं, तो आपका investment तकरीबन आपका 10 से 11 लाख के बीच में आपका आता है. Or you need to have a provision because ये high rotation का business होता है. So any investor who makes this investment should also have a good working capital, ताकि आप real time stock में आप रिप्लेनिश कर पाए. बिकॉज अगर वो स्टॉक नहीं होगा तो आपका जो इन्वेंट्री है वो रोटेट नहीं होगी. अगर रोटेट नहीं होगी, यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट द बिजनेस टू कम. सो अंकित जी, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हिच आई वांटेड टू पिक अप अगेन, कमिंग बैक ऑन द बिजनेस मॉडल, जहाँ पे हमने 18 लाख ओवरऑल हम बात किए. आई पिक ऑन द इन्वेंट्री पार्ट, हमने 7 लाख इन्वेंट्री अप्रोक्सीमेटली हमने बात की है. इसमें हमारा इन्वेंट्री मिक्स किस तरीके से होता है, हाउ इज दैट सिलेक्टेड, बिकॉज यू मेंशन देयर ऑलमोस्ट 20 प्रोडक्ट रेंज है आपके रहते हैं, एंड दिस इज फर्दर कैटेगराइज्ड अंडर पल्सेस, ड्राई फ्रूट, स्पाइसेस एंड अदर आइटम्स. सो हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट मिक्स होता है, ये इन्वेंट्री मिक्स होता है, हाउ इज दैट डिसाइडेड, इज दैट बेस्ड ऑन द लोकेशन एंड द डिमांड दैट यू सी. इसके ऊपर अगर इफ यू कैन टॉक लिटिल बिट.
Yes, actually, it obviously depends on the location and the season as well. There are a lot of factors that determines the inventory that we are talking about. See, where, like if we say South people don't eat atta much. They prefer rice. So basically, the consumption of rice is more there, and atta and dal and all the kinds of pulses is less. Like urad gota that you say in South, it sells like anything. But if you take urad gota in the north, it will not at all sell, not even one bag. So we have to mix and match as per the requirement of the consumer. And this 6 lakh inventory, as you say, as I told you, it's 280 plus products. So even if we say one bag each or very small inventory, then also it will this kind of the calculation that we have taken into account, you can say it's very, very conservative. Reason being that we also don't know what products will be hit in which area, because it can always be replenished.
Right. Ankit ji, इसमें again, जैसे आपने बोला, we have inventory. Are you still connected with us? Because I see one of your IDs logged out. Friends, while I think we have Ankit ji back.
Sorry for this.
हाँ जी, I think we did see you logging out. So मेरा जो क्वेश्चन था वो इन्वेंट्री के ऊपर ही था. जैसे आपने बोला, बेस्ड ऑन द लोकेशन जहाँ पे खुलता है, द डिमांड ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन, द एंटायर इन्वेंट्री मिक्स इज डिसाइडेड. एंड इट टेक्स टाइम, बिकॉज इनिशियली कुछ प्रोडक्ट बहुत नेचुरल हैं जो हमें मालूम होता है कि लोकेशंस पे चलेंगे, बट सम प्रोडक्ट्स वी माइट नॉट नो. तो इनिशियल हमारा जो इन्वेंट्री मिक्स होता है, उसमें अगर कोई ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो मूव नहीं करते हैं एंड ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इट इज रियलाइज्ड, तो उस इन्वेंट्री को हम कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं?
See, first of all, what we are doing here is we are offering a very, very low inventory. Like if we say 6 lakh rupees is nothing, and
Right.
this kind of a product that we are talking about is basically sellable everywhere. There is no possibility that food product cannot be sold. And we are offering in products where we find it little bit risky. Like we have graded the items like ABC. And if we find that the C category is there, if we find it, then basically we offer at least a normal one bag We won't give them the higher products. But what we are doing is just for the sake of first supplies. We are just in the first supply. In the first supply, we have offered where the product will be getting expired, we will be taking back just for the first supplies. After that, there is no policy of expiry return. Reason being, we want to pass on the margins completely so that the sales increase. If we keep that into account that the material will return back to us and all those things, then definitely we have to little bit consume in the margins. So that is our major. And the first supplies, definitely for the first supplies, there is an option of returning the expiry just for the first order. After that, because eventually we'll also understand, the store person will also understand that what will be the product required and what will not be required.
Sure. And that's very important point जो आपने बोला, 6 लाख की इन्वेंट्री अगर एक स्टोर को देखा जाए वो बहुत कम होती है. कोई भी अगर किराना स्टोर है या आपका ग्रोसरी स्टोर है, on an average they keep an inventory of anything between 15 to 20 lakhs का minimum एक इन्वेंट्री मिक्स एक किसी भी typical एक ग्रोसरी स्टोर पे आपको मिलता है. Now, I'll also take up questions on the investment जो हमने से equipment and infrastructure investment हमने जो लिया है, which is another 5.5 lakhs and about 3.5 lakhs. So this is about 11 odd lakhs का investment है. इसमें जो हमारा specifications होता है, interiors होता है, all that is guided by the company and these are executed by local vendors. या ये turnkey होता है जहाँ पे the entire payment goes to the company and it is done and handed over to the franchisee.
Can you please come again actually?
कि इसमें मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात करती हूँ, जैसे इक्विपमेंट या आपका जो बेसिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का इन्वेस्टमेंट है, इसमें कंपनी गाइडलाइंस देती है फ्रेंचाइज पार्टनर को इन्वेस्टमेंट, जैसे हमारे इंटीरियर्स हो गया, डिजाइन हो गया, उसके ऊपर इक्विपमेंट कहाँ से सोर्स करना है. इज दैट असिस्टेंस गिवन बाय द कंपनी, जैसे आपके वेंडर्स हो गए?
Yes, completely. Everything will be guided by the company only. Even with the staff that they'll be running, they'll be using, definitely we'll help them to hire the staff and we'll help them to train as well. Because we have our promoters pan India to all the Walmart stores. So my promoters have the habit of selling things and they are very much expertise in all these things. So I'll definitely help the store owner to get the staff trained, get the staff recruited. There is I'm also in talks with Franchisee India team to help us with basically a recruitment company. If they may be having a company or they may have launched or something pan India, so we can also have a tie-up to give the staff, we give the stores the staff, proper staff.
Sure. And friends, I will request Shakti ji, आप लिख रहे हैं, the voice is not clear. We can hear the voice, and Shakti ji, I'll request अगर आप या तो relog कर सकें or you can check your audio. And I will request friends, you can keep putting your questions, and I will start taking questions from all of you now. And Ankit ji, before I proceed to the questions which I'm seeing, which have started to come in, कौन सी ऐसी existing markets है जहाँ पे हमारा भी presence है, apart from the big chains that we have talked about that we are suppliers to, कौन सी locations पे होगा हमारा, and कौन सी ऐसी important markets हैं जिसमें हम अभी enter करना चाहते हैं?
See, basically, the presence, as I told you, apart from this modern retail giants, we are not running anywhere in GT market, the general trade. So that is the biggest advantage, because we are always present in the online market. So there is a presence, there is a brand value, there is everything present in the market. But still, as we are not directly dealing with the general trade people, so we don't have an exclusive store anywhere in the country. But you can get our products in Walmart, you can get our products online. So there are products available, but an exclusive store is not there. So there is always an opportunity to market it well, basically.
Right.
And the cities that I am first of all suggesting is basically 2-tier cities and metros. And that will be a very easy catch. Reason being, the margins are higher for the showroom owner, the franchisee owner. Basically, the margins will be high. At the same time, there is brand presence basically in all the metros and the 2-tier cities.
Right.
And the throughput is basically, the throughput is also high.
Right.
The stock rotation and everything.
Location,
Sorry.
Right. That's very high, and that's the reason, you know, we suggest investors should have a good capacity or working capital kept aside to replenish the stock. Now, I'll pick some locations where I'm seeing inquiries. Aapne tier 2 bola. I'm seeing, you know, we have Mr. Sri Hari, wo Kolhapur se likh rahe hain. He's asking if that is a location one can discuss. And Kolhapur का अगर overall potential या opportunity हमें कैसे दिखती है, अगर उसके बारे में हम बात कर सकें.
See, if we talk about Kolhapur, definitely Kolhapur is a good opportunity because it's an untapped market. But yes, for the start, I must say that as Kolhapur is not that big of a city as per my knowledge, so people may not be aware of good quality products. Like, I don't know how, you can say, if you have asked about Aurangabad, I know that because we are supplying there. But Kolhapur, our products are gone from Aurangabad stores to Kolhapur people. So in Kolhapur, basically, we have to create a brand awareness where people would be ready to pay for the extra hygiene. Because see, our products are not cheap. It cannot be considered under cheap section because obviously quality incurs cost. But it will be cheaper than Big Bazaar. It will be cheaper than D-Mart. It will be cheaper than all the stores and supermarkets that you're talking about. But if you say, if you will say ki it will be cheaper from the local market, that's not possible because packaging involves a cost, hygiene involves a cost, a quality product itself involves a cost.
Absolutely.
So that the Kolhapur person need to first understand like what is the market there. There will be a discussion for that. Like what is the current market going on and where is the location of the store that he's looking for, because it has to be in a very good residential area. It cannot be in a place where basically the living standard is not that high. That is also a consideration.
Right. And couple of more cities which I'll pick very quickly is one is Mr. Anshul Jain asking for Malwa in Madhya Pradesh, and also another location which I'm seeing again in MP from Mr. Ashish Gupta is Singrauli, जहाँ पे पूछना चाहते हैं, and Bangalore, which is tier 1, and Delhi are other cities which I'm seeing.
Yes, actually the same thing goes with all these cities actually, apart from Delhi, NCR that I'm talking about. Bangalore is a very good opportunity. Delhi NCR is a very great opportunity, but the same reply will be there for Singrauli and other cities, Ratlam. The same reply will be there as per the Kolhapur thing that I talked about.
Sure. So I think what we can also do is, you know, because we do see a lot of inquiries of the tier 2 bola, and these are mostly cities which should have a good potential. And we can have maybe one-to-one discussion with every investor team and get more details on the property and maybe little bit potential and dynamics and demographics of these locations. And Ankit, kuch aur questions jo main aapse which was on the pricing. You know, I'll take one question. I don't see the name of the gentleman who's put this question. And like you mentioned, aapke prices, you know, if you look at prices, because you're already supplying to all these platforms जहाँ पे Amazon हो गया या Walmart हो गया, वहाँ पे products available हैं. Because we now directly supplying to a franchisee, हमारा जो product का cost consumer के लिए वो comparatively less हो जाता है. So the question which I'm seeing is what is you know since in the locations जहाँ पे Walmart present है, exclusive outlet भी present है, and if you can give some examples of products and क्या उसमें price का difference रहेगा, you know, अगर आप मुझे 3-4 categories में बता सके, इस category में अगर Walmart में इतना है तो हमारा जो अपना ब्रांड हम लॉन्च करेंगे एक्सक्लूसिव आउटलेट में, उसपे हमारे तकरीबन ये प्राइसिंग रहेंगे, तो वो क्या हम बता सकते हैं?
See, for example, if we talk about Raipur Walmart store, where I am doing a sale of, you can say, around 1.5 to 2 CR monthly in our brand. If we say we are giving them tuar dal at a price point of 107 rupees per kg, right? And they are selling to the retailer, because Walmart is a B2B store. They sell to businessmen and that they sell again to consumer. So 1.107 I'm billing them, and for right now, and they are selling at a price point of around 114. And after that 114, the retailer, he definitely may be selling at a price point of around 125 rupees, the packed product. But what here we can achieve is, I can directly sell you to, you can say around 107, 106, whatever is the feasibility as per the location. Apart from that, after that, if I'll billing you at 106, you can directly sell to the consumer at 115 or 118, depending on the area, depending on the location, depending on the city. So there is an advantage of 7-8 rupees always if we say about if we talk about the retailer. If we say from Walmart, basically.
So on an average, जो हम margin की बात कर रहे हैं या हम pricing की बात कर रहे हैं, that would be approximately 8 to 10% lesser for an exclusive store of the products.
Yes, comparatively,
okay, another question,
definitely.
I'll take is a question from and I'll take another question from Rajeshri, and the question is from Nagpur city. So Rajesh ji hai Nagpur se. He's wanting to know also on the a question on the launch. I would say अगर हम किसी भी city में जाते हैं, captive audience, location बहुत important है. So I'll take his question also. और मैं एक चीज और add करना चाहती हूँ, which is on the location. Location बहुत important होती है for a business like this. So कौन सी locations आप advise करेंगे? One, and क्या price points पे उसका rental आपका होना चाहिए? And second, the question is on the marketing and advertisement locally. क्या करना चाहिए franchise partner को, and what kind of support the company also offers is something he would like to know.
So see, as I told you regarding location, as I already told you, for the increasing margins, we need to target a place where the population is above 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs. That will definitely give an advantage. Regarding the location should be a little bit of niche of a colony and surrounded by basically a residential location. And the investments and the size location that we are talking about of the shop, it's really easily gettable, because what we are not looking for a big store like 2,000, 3,000 square feet of an area. They're just looking for products area like 400 to 350 square feet of an area. And mind it, in this 350 square feet of an area, we have given a written permission also that you can even keep brands like Fortune and like which we don't serve, like oil. There is a category
right.
oil which is left by us. So that is the reason we have taken into account this 400 square feet, 350 to 400 square feet of an area. That is the basic reason. Like there's a dairy, you can say dairy products are not given by us. So a lot of food products we are not supplying. So we'll help you with attaching you with the distributors for these products as well. You can, there will not be just you will be marketing my products. The customer has to come once to have the entire range in the small store. That it's basically a neighborhood store that we are talking about. Day-to-day activities, people purchase day-to-day items from the store. It is not an exclusive supermarket where people will completely come and basically take the basket completely. It will be a day-to-day activity store. So there will be a vegetable vendor that we are trying to finalize, that will be put in front of the store, so that people come every day to buy vegetables and he'll buy grocery as well, whichever it's lacking in their household. So that is the things that we are planning about. We are not restricting ourselves to only selling to Khushiyon Ki Saugaat, but definitely we'll be scrutinizing the brands that you are selling, because it's our brand name associated. So you cannot sell a very local and a very low grade product in the store, because it will definitely decrease the brand image of the store also, and of the franchisee owner as well. And regarding marketing and advertising, it depends. It totally depends on the basically on the location, on the city, because some cities we are present, some cities we are present online. So, and along with that, we'll definitely help the franchisee owner with the marketing plans, with the advertising flyers and everything. But yes, we have inculcated the cost also of the marketing in the system, as you can see in the slides.
Right, we did that. And I think that's a very important point, Ankit, that you've made. Because a lot of investors, that was rather one of the questions which I wanted to check. So it's a complete Kirana store where all the product supply will come from the company, and जो भी ऐसी categories हैं which the company is not supplying, they'll assist you in getting tie-ups with those companies. And एक और question है अंकित जी मैं लेना चाहती हूँ आपसे, which is again on the इन्वेंट्री जो राजेश जी पूछना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज हमने एक इन्वेंट्री बोला कि हम 7 लाख का इन्वेंट्री लेना चाहते हैं. अगर कोई बड़ा साइज का स्टोर खोलना चाहता है, इज देयर अ पॉसिबिलिटी टू कीप मे बी अ हायर इन्वेंट्री?
See, I am the manufacturer, so I'll be more than happy to suggest you to give you a bigger inventory. But as we are a manufacturer, and if there is no need for a higher inventory, then why to go for it? That is our only question. We are always there to replenish. We are always there. Yeah, if there is any ups and downs in the market, then it is a different thing altogether. And if they want to keep higher, then why would I stop? But there won't be any expiries and everything returned in that basis, basically.
And इसमें हमारा replenish time कितना होता है? How long does it take for us to replenish the inventory at the...
See, it all depends on the location. It all depends on the order quantity. Usually, the time frame that is there is around 7 to 10 days, and it will be definitely like every day the people will be in touch. My team will be in touch with the franchisee owner just to understand the stock.
Sure, I think that's very helpful. And friends, like Ankit ji mentioned, we'll be happy to share the entire presentation with all of you. जो भी आपने भी screen पे देखा है, with the entire breakup of the SKUs. And lastly, Ankit ji, I'll pick one question which is on the distribution. हमने खैर EB की बात की है. Will we be open for looking at any kind of distribution model also?
See, we are planning a concept of master franchisee with Franchise India. But what my personal suggestion is, like, if there is around 5-6 stores that is there, we have opened in like Delhi and Lucknow, some places like that. If you are planning that, then to set up a distribution channel, it will be an easy go with the distributor, because this is a low margin product, as you can say. If we introduce a distributor in between, so there will be a risk of basically not providing high margins to the distributor. That is the only risk. So I would suggest, like, it is better that if there is around 5-6 stores in a single city or a single district, then we can say that we can appoint a distributor there, who will be also a master franchisee owner, who will be having a big store of around 2,000 to 3,000 square feet, keeping our products as well for the display and the sale, and he will be also distributing to the nearby stores.
Sure. And since we're running out of time, I'll take one more question from Mr. Jigar Patel, and he hails from Hyderabad, and he would like to know, who takes care of the logistics cost, and is that on the company or that is billed to the partner, the franchisee?
No, see, our rates will be for Nagpur, and all the logistic part will be billed to the franchisee owner only. The reason being, I cannot have a separate sheet for around, you can say, 500 franchisee owners. I will be having my rates of the store, of the city, and as per the transportation, and transportation also depends on the quantity. So that is, see, it cannot be possible like I can give you around 1 ton of a material by not billing you the freight cost. And obviously 1 ton transportation is far more different than 10 ton transportation or 5 ton transportation. So it is not a formula that we can apply and use. So logistic part will always be handled by the franchisee owner.
Sure. And एक चीज और जो मैं पूछूंगी अंकित जी आपसे, इसमें do we have any minimum quantities which has to be ordered by a franchisee, or he can replenish any amount of quantities?
See, there will be a minimum order quantities depending on the location, what kind of logistic partner. See, at the time of franchisee finalization, we have to also finalize a logistic partner who will be distributing from Nagpur to the franchisee owner. So at that time, all the minimum order quantity and everything will be discussed, because it depends on the location. Like, for example, if you say Hyderabad, if you say Raipur, I don't think so there is much of a reason for the MOQ there won't be a problem of the MOQ because my other vehicles also keep on going there. So there's not much of a problem. But if Pune, Bangalore, there is not much of a problem with the deliveries because my other deliveries go to Amazon, my other deliveries go to Walmart. In that case, that won't be a problem. But yeah, if you talk about say, a place like, for example, Kolhapur, I'm not supplying to Kolhapur, so definitely there will be a separate vehicle or separate logistic partner that will be going.
So that's very helpful. Okay जी. And friends, I will also request, and Ankit जी, last आपने बोला tier 2 locations and कुछ cities के भी आपने mention किए, but you know overall कौन सी ऐसा important region है which is you feel is important or you know your bandwidth would allow to service that location या आप cluster create करना चाहते हैं, तो कौन से ऐसे state या regions या cities होंगे जो आप on a priority mention करना चाहते हैं?
See, I would definitely suggest Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a very huge potential, and in Walmart, if I say Walmart and Amazon, in these two in these two clients only, I'm doing a business of around 3 to 4 CR there. Hyderabad is there. You can say Bangalore is there. Bangalore is a very, very good opportunity. Bombay is there. People are doing very good there with the brand. So basically, these are the cities that I'm majorly targeting. Like Bangalore is a very, very good opportunity. There's there's online hub there. Like a lot of things are going on in these cities. So definitely, yes, all these cities is quite helpful for the start.
Sure. Great. Thank you so much, Ankit ji. And friends, you know, since we have taken your questions and like we said, anybody who's looking for opening, we will welcome one-to-one calls, discussion meetings as the case may be, and we can do it sometime within a week's time. And कोई भी दिन अंकित जी आपको जो लगता है available आप रहेंगे तो हम एक दिन fix कर सकते हैं. Where our prospective investors जो आज हमारे event पे आए हैं, webinar पे आए हैं, they can connect with you. Is there some visibility on your calendar on the dates that you want to announce and we can inform our investors?
So Soumya, basically there's no problem. Like anytime after next Wednesday, I'm okay with the same. We can definitely plan.
So today, okay. So today is Friday. तो आप कह रहे हैं Wednesday के बाद हम plan कर सकते हैं, which is
anytime.
13th is okay. Which 13th we
can
do, which is maybe a week from now or maybe 6 days from now. And friends, in the meantime, all of you who have reached out to us with questions and who are interested to have another round of discussion with the team of Shubha Lakshmi and Ankit ji, we'll be happy to extend and facilitate all the virtual meetings or telephonic meetings. And before we close, Ankit ji, maybe last word from you to the audience who's listening both live and on the platform.
So basically, I would, the gist of this opportunity is this Corona and any other COVID pandemic will never end. Hopefully it ends, but as this biological war has started, everyone requires good quality product, hygienically packed product, and basically complete range of product in one's neighborhood. So our Khushiyon Ki Saugaat franchisee store is the neighborhood store where you can get at least your daily needs on a daily basis. And this is the only time when this will be a big success. Reason being there will be no future regarding the expansion in later on, because what is the opportunity now? This kind of an opportunity, hopefully it may never come back. People are not having right kind of product, right kind of range, right kind of quality pan India. This is a very, very panicking situation. So I would suggest that definitely it's a big opportunity and one should step in, and we are always there to share our experience. And because see, we don't want to have a one-time store. We want a continuous buyer. So that is our major USP. I would request to think of this opportunity as a golden opportunity, and definitely it will be the next future. Thank you.
One of which has seen the highest demand, especially in the 1 year that we have passed. And we'll reach out to you, friends, like I mentioned, to everybody who's keen to discuss. And if any of your queries which you think have not been discussed or discussed in detail, we'll be happy to connect one-to-one with all of you. And I'd like to maybe take next few minutes to take you through some of the opportunities that we bring to you during the day and tomorrow. Over to you, Shruti. Can we have the slides, please?
Thank you so much, Mr. Ankit. Thank you, Sonia ma'am. So friends, you can reach out to us on our hotline number, which is 9717683838. You may please save this number on your phone book so you can get regular updates as well. And below mentioned are our social media handle, Facebook handle, Instagram handle, LinkedIn handle, and Twitter handle. So you can also follow us here for regular updates. And this is the LinkedIn ID of our management team, Mr. Gaurav Maria and Sonia Chaudhary. You can also follow them for daily updates. And we have started this 30 days, 30 cities. And today we are hosting Delhi chapter. Every day at 7 p.m. we are hosting this chapter. So you can also register for this for free by reaching us on our hotline number, or also you can reach out to us on our social media handles. Continuing the 12 p.m. legacy, we are tomorrow doing the business opportunity for FOCO model, which is the highly demanded model by investors. So please join tomorrow at 12 noon regular time. Thank you very much.
So friends, just to add, this is a franchisee-owned company operated opportunity. So we have 6 companies that should come represent tomorrow, and these are across category. We have gaming companies, we have F&B companies, we have fitness companies, gyms, and also markets. Join PG and you can log in to the Franchise India Brands page, the Facebook page, or you can write to Facebook page पे भी जाके आप register कर सकते हैं. So thank you friends for being with us. Seeing you tomorrow. Have a great day. Thank you, Ankit.